Hey everyone, we are back here cooking with Dr. Kelly, and this is one of my favorite recipes. This is your crunchy, delicious detox salad. Take a look here at all these vibrant colors. We always want to make sure that we're eating all colors of the rainbow to make sure that we get those phytonutrient, super vitamin-rich foods in our body. The other thing that's great about this is it's raw, so you are not depleting any nutritional value when you're eating this. I call it the detox salad for a few reasons. One, we've got red cabbage, we've got broccoli, we've got cauliflower. We all know that's going to clear you out and get things moving. We have a lot of ginger, which is soothing for your GI tract. And I've added some sprouts because we want to make sure that we're getting a ton of those green nutrients to get rid of those free radicals and sort of life around us to make sure that we're staying the healthiest versions of ourselves. So we are going to chop this up and we'll be back to see what we come up with.